Hello and welcome to installing and configuring pihole. In this section we will create a step-by-step guide on installing and configuring pihole as a DNS server on an Ubuntu server. This is the official website on instruction of pihole installation that I will give you this link on description. In terms of hardware, we need 2 GB space. 4 GB is recommended, but we can install on 2 GB also. About 512. We can install the software on Raspberry Pi, ARM Bian operating system, Ubuntu, Debian, Fedora, CentOS. We will go on with an Ubuntu server. If you face any problem according to unsupported detected operating system, you can follow this link. First, getting started installation. These are the commands that we will copy and paste them in our Ubuntu server. First, I want to SSH my Ubuntu server that I have installed earlier. This is my Ubuntu server that I have installed it earlier. First, let's check the internet connectivity, that we should have internet connectivity, that I have internet connection on my server. And let's copy the link. Just just right click it to paste the link. Press enter. We do not have permission. Let's have sudo. So with the password, the package will install. Supported operating system detected. If this error occurred, you can follow the steps of prerequisites with this instruction. Otherwise, you can continue to the installation. This installer will transform your device into a network-wide ad blocker. Press OK. The pihole is free. OK. You can continue. Pihole is a server, so it needs a static IP address. We should configure the static IP address. Also, you can configure DHCP and reserve the IP address on DHCP server, that it should not change. Continue. Set static IP address using current value. Yes. Continue. OK. As upstream DNS servers, pihole should use Google DNS server. You can use OpenDNS's level 3. You can use Komodo, but I use Google. Yes. Do you want to install admin web interface? Yes. To access via GUI? Yes. Yes. Would you like to enable query logging? Yes, we want to take logs also. Show everything, hide domains, hide domain and clients. We will continue with show everything. Just wait. The installation has finished. We provide the IP address 172.17.2.30. Now you can access via HTTP //172.17.2.30/admin. Press OK. Now This provided a random password for our login admin. We can log in via this password, or even you can change it, that we will change as soon as possible. Let's access http://172.17.2.30/admin. This is the web interface of Pi-hole that we will access every time with this IP address /admin. It has generated a random IP address, so we can copy it and paste. Just select it and paste it. Login. Now we successfully installed our Pi-hole on Ubuntu server. In here show total queries, those queries that blocked, percentage blocked, domains on ad lists. These are the domains that by default blocked with Pi-hole. These are the domains that provide advertisement, malicious links, malicious web pages, and these are blocked by default. How to add more and more? This is a link that I will provide for you on the description. You can follow the description also. This is the official link of Pi-hole that you can add these lists. Let's copy the links that are provided in here. Ctrl C. Come to add lists, paste in here. You can provide a comment also. For example, we provide new ad list, advertisement list. Let's add one more also. You can copy all of these links. You can copy and paste here and also add again. These are the phishing websites that we want to block it. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, again add. These are the websites that provide web pages that provide malicious links and advertisements. We added think that all the links. Now come to tools, update gravity. You should update the gravity. Now 121,000 domains are blocked. After updating, it will be more. Update gravity, update. This will update our links of ad lists, blog lists, and white lists. Update is successful. Now look at the dashboard. We blocked 897,000 domains that provide malicious links, trackers, malicious websites, advertisements. Now how to use this Pi-hole on our network, that our network also use from this feature that blocked advertisements. For example, you are searching for speedtest.net. This is a web page that show the speeds of the internet for you. These are the ads, these are the ads, ads. We are tired of these ads. How to block these ads? So you can block these ads. You have to use the IP address that you provided for your DNS server on your router. This IP address should be as your primary DNS server, because all the queries should come to Pi-hole, and from Pi-hole it will get decision to forward your request to the upstream level or block your request. So we will use this IP address as our DNS server. We should set this IP address to our router. I will set this IP address as a primary DNS server on my router that I have in my network. I set my Pi-hole IP address as a primary DNS server on my router that is located at the border of my network. Now the clients should use the IP address of Pi-hole as a DNS server. 172.17.2.30. This is the preferred DNS server of my computer. Press OK and close. Now all the ads should go on. We will not see any advertisements. How to check that Pi-hole is also working? Let's go on to CMD, run as administrator. is command prompt ns lookup www.google.com. Look, our pihole is default server is pihole address is our pihole IP address, and it's solving all the queries from Google. Now how to check it? Let's refresh this page. These ads should go on. You don't see any ads on the page. You can also test these ads. You don't see any ads on the page. All the ads blocked. Thanks for watching. For more video, please subscribe my channel.